I don't know about you, but I like my buffalo wings with crispy skin and a tangy, spicy buffalo sauce, and the inside also needs to be moist and tender. The best part about this recipe is that we can achieve all of this without deep frying them. First, you want to make sure the wings are as dry as possible. For the seasoning, mix together salt, garlic powder, pepper, and baking powder. The baking powder is the key to getting a super crispy skin. Toss the chicken in the seasoning to coat evenly, then arrange them at least 1 inch apart on a wire rack so the fat can drip off while it's baking at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Here's a quick homemade ranch dressing. I like blue cheese too, but I didn't have the ingredients, so this is what we're working with today. For the buffalo sauce, melt some butter, then add Frank's Red Hot, Worcestershire, Dijon mustard, and Tabasco. After 30 minutes, flip the chicken wings over and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. I forgot to mention this earlier, but it should be positioned above the middle rack, but not all the way at the top. These turned out super crispy and delicious even without the buffalo sauce. After that, just toss them in the sauce, or you can serve them naked and just dip them if you want them to stay crispy for a longer period of time.